Mayor elect.
Oh, mayor election.
Mayor.
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 Aminullah.
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 Aminullah. Wali kota Bekasi.
Yeah.
What do you think about the the prediction for success after our city has blue mayor?
All right. Well, talking about a politics, right? I myself talking about mayor. We can't predict that mayor good or not. Just depend on condition, right? We don't know for future. I'm not, wizard. I'm not wizard, and then I'm not angel, so I don't know anything about that for future. But just pray to our God, Allah. In this city, Banda Aceh gonna be goodness, never bad. Change like the rule of Muslim. That's what I want. Have every open. Never, always, even though, always to protect our city Banda Aceh from hypocrite. Yeah, from hypocrite. Yeah, hypocrite. A lot of hypocrite in Banda Aceh nowadays. Including WHB. Including WHB is the very, very hypocrite people in this uniform. HB. WHB. WHB. That's why we can protect our country nowadays from this day and the end of the day. Let's pray to God. We can't predict that. Unpredictable, like the weather. You can't really imagine nowadays. Even though you are under weather for today, it's okay. Yeah, just pray to you, gonna be a good nurse and a good heart. That's it. Yeah. Alright, any question?
Fine. Mr. Esperanto.
Alright.
I know.
Doctoro
Esperanto from Aceh, right?
Mi amigas estas Doctoro Esperanto en Aceh. Doctoro.
Beautiful name.
Keep going.
Okay. I know you can speak other language.
No, just a little bit. I'm still learning that.
About Esperanto. What do you want? Esperanto, right? I want to know what do you want to hope, what do you want to in the future about your skill language. Esperanto, maybe Esperanto. I think you are one of these Aceh. Maybe not about this language. Maybe I think you are very successful about this language. I want to know there are a success for you or not.
Alright, well, talking about that, right? Yeah, I think, hard to say how to combine, how to describe. I'm a tourist guide. When I met people from Europe, from Amsterdam, from German, France, and then Russia, when I met them, sir, do you know Spanish language? Yes, I know that language. So why Masya Allah, na'udzubillah, summa na'udzubillah minha, alhamdulillah, ya Allah, la ilaha illallah, na'udzubillah, summa na'udzubillah. Masya Allah.
Okay. Have a seat.
So, when those people asking me why you learn Esperanto, because only in Aceh I never met people foreigner just Esperanto. Even though those people knew that, but they can't speak that Esperanto. And then they ask me back, why do you learn Esperanto language? I love Esperanto language because just to communicate this foreign language. So I suggest you, when you learn second language after you master English, just learn like inshallah Japan, right? Japan, Korea, Mandarin, and then Spanish, French, German. Okay. But when you learn Esperanto, when you meet foreigner, when you meet foreigner, they're gonna foreigner orang asing. When they gonna asking you about why do you learn Esperanto language, just why do you learn Esperanto language? That's The point is,
What you answer?
I just gonna convert it every people in this earth. Learn language, just convert people, prisoner, just mendakwahkan dan mengemuskan Islam in that language, convert it to Islam. Preacher. Benar. Alright, any question?
Yeah.
Doctor Esperanto from